Hello and welcome back to another video. What you see here is a Moss Tropical Breeze, I think. I got this fan from Brian Fan 17. Thanks, Brian. This fan has a couple issues with it. First of all, the bearings are really bad. The fan goes really slow. I'm pretty sure it's a capacitor issue or something. Probably has a bad capacitor. Well, so it's 52 inch. Yeah, and it's an antique brass. You can see it's not really in the best shape. And the blades are stenciled. Another fan was stenciled. So there's Moss. It's the only sticker. Yeah, that's the only sticker. It's a belly canopy. I have it on a ball socket. It's reversible. It's 3-speed. And I'm gonna put it on low. So low speeds, there's not really a whole lot of range of speeds. Low is already pretty fast. And the bearings are already starting to make a lot of noise. That's a very fast low speed. Medium. Medium is just a little bit faster, or not even, I don't think it's even faster actually. So I'm pretty sure it has a failing capacitor, or something's clearly wrong with the fan. That's not supposed to happen. Put it on high speed. Bearings really start to get noisy. So this is high speed. It's really, it's not fast at all. At the same time, the bearings were a bit stiff. So I ran it a while and kind of got a little better, but it's still really slow. I could leave it running like overnight or something for a while, see if it's gonna change anything. So as you can see, this fan is not fast at all. Bearings are pretty bad. Oh yeah, I still need to clean it. I'm not done, I don't know. What you see here is how I got it. Spin down. Spin out, I'm gonna try reverse. Let me just say that this fan kind of needs some help. Shout out to Carter, the fan guy. What's this Carter fan guy's quote? This fan needs some help. So spin down solder to plate. I'll flip the switch. And I'll take it all high. For sure it has a failing capacitor. It does wiggle back and forth a little bit. Well, that's it for this fan. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.